Do you want your effects to move, flow, and feel alive? With keyframes in CapCut, you can animate effects and bring your edits to life. In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to animate effects using keyframes. Let's get started. Open CapCut and create a new project. Tap the import button and select the video you want to edit. Once imported, add it to the track. Now, go to the Effects tab and select a video effect you'd like to animate. For example, let's use the blur effect. Use the search bar and look for the blur effect. Once found, add it to the track, then drag its edges to adjust how long it stays on the screen. For this tutorial, I want the blur effect to apply only on the face of our subject. Tap on the Mask tab and select a mask that fits your subject. Adjust the scale of the mask in the previous screen by dragging its edges. Once it's done, let's add a keyframe to add motion to the effect. Move the playhead to the start of the clip and tap the diamond-shaped keyframe button. Now, move the playhead forward and adjust the position of the blur effect in the previous screen. CapCut will now animate the blur effect smoothly between those 2 points. Just repeat this process of moving frames by frames and adjusting the position of the blur effect. You can play and pause your video while adjusting the blur effect to make it easier. Once you've set your keyframes, preview the video to see the animation in action. If you're satisfied with the result, tap the export button to save your project. And that's it. You've just learned how to animate effects in CapCut using keyframes. I've got a free step-by-step guide link in the description below. Thanks for watching and happy editing. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!